Today we will going to discuss in details about GST. What is GST? Goods and Service Tax. GST is an indirect tax plan implemented by the India government for our goods and services. This is an indirect tax plan. Before GST, our nation had various tax patterns like customs duty, excise duty, that is mainly for central government, and value added taxes for our goods and services sales, entertainment tax, luxury tax, etc. for Kerala state. GST have replaced all these tax and now only one tax for the whole nation, that is called GST, goods and service tax. GST mainly have three category or components. They are CGST, SGST and IGST. CGST Central Goods and Service Tax, SGST State Goods and Service Tax, and IGST is Integrated Goods and Service Tax. These are the three categories or components in GST. And in the case of intra-state transaction, we will charge CGST and SGST. And in the case of interstate transaction, we will use or charge IGST. Now we wanted to know what is intrastate transaction. Intrastate transaction means a transaction or a transfer of goods and services inside one state. That case, that type of transaction is called intra-state transaction. That case we will use CGST and SGST. In the case of interstate transaction, that means that transaction means transfer of goods and services between two states. That type of transaction or activities is called interstate transaction. That case we will use or charge IGST. So these are the three categories on GST. GST mainly have four tax rate. They are 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. These are the four tax rate on GST. Some are exempted, that means 0% item also. And on the next video, I will give you an idea about journal entries related to GST and other matters. Thank you so much.